Elon Musk's 2026 Tesla Model 2 is finally here. What's shocking the entire industry? Elon Musk just unveiled his cheapest car ever with the shocking features that will make the entire industry sit up and take notice. The leaks were true. Tesla has been working hard to develop an even more affordable vehicle, the Model 2, which could be a game changer for the EV industry. And now we know when it's coming out and what it looks like. Elon Musk took to Twitter to reveal some details about the upcoming model, including its design and release date. So let's get into it first, the design. As you can see, the leaked images were pretty accurate. This is the final design of the new Tesla Model 2. It's not just a small version of the Model 3 or a cheaper Model Y. No. This is something all new from Tesla. One of the most catching features is the front headlight assembly. It stretches almost the entire width of the front of the car, giving it a futuristic look. But it's more than just good looks. According to Musk, the integrated lighting system can display what's happening inside the car to pedestrians, such as whether the doors are open or closed, and if there are any warnings or alerts. This is made possible by micro-LED lights that can change color and are controlled by artificial intelligence. In addition to the main display, there are also smaller displays in each corner of the front end. These can display things like turn signals, high beams, and other driving information. According to Musk, these smaller displays are not just for aesthetics, but also serve a functional purpose, making the car safer and easier to drive. The car's body is designed to be aerodynamic and efficient, which is important for maximizing range and performance. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior with a minimalist design and advanced technology. One of the most notable features is the steering wheel, which is very different from the traditional circular design. Instead, it's a yoke-shaped wheel that allows the driver to have more visibility and control over the car. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen display that controls most of the car's functions. The seats are also unique, designed to provide maximum comfort and support while also being durable and easy to clean. Overall, the interior of the Model 2 is both stylish and functional. But what about the specs? What kind of performance can we expect from this new car? Musk has revealed some details about the car's powertrain and performance. The Model 2 will come in two variants, single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive. The single-motor version will have a range of around 275 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for a car in this price range. The dual-motor version will have a range of around 300 miles, making it even more competitive in the market. Both versions will be able to charge up to 250 kilowatt-hours per minute, meaning that drivers can get a quick charge when they need it. In terms of performance, the dual-motor version of the Model 2 will be able to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, making it quicker than many other cars in its class. It will also have a top track speed of 125 miles per hour, which is more than enough for most drivers. Now let's talk about the price. This is where the Model 2 really shines. According to Musk, the base price for the single-motor rear-wheel drive version will be just $25,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. The price for the dual-motor all-wheel drive version is expected to be around $30,000. Now let's talk about the release date. When can we expect to see this car on the roads, according to Musk? The production of the Model 2 will begin in late 2026 at the company's Gigafactory in Texas. He also mentioned that the company is planning to produce 1 million units of the Model 2 in the first year alone. That's a bold statement, and it shows just how much Tesla believes in this car. So what does the future hold for the Model 2? We can expect to see it become one of the best-selling EVs on the market. Its combination of affordability, its advanced technology, and impressive performance makes it a compelling choice for drivers who are looking for a new car. With the release of the Model 2, Tesla has once again raised the bar for the EV industry. Its innovative design and features are sure to impress drivers, and it will likely become one of the most popular EVs on the market. The Tesla Model 2 has left the entire industry shocked. It's no secret that Tesla is a game-changer in the automotive world. Since its inception, the company has revolutionized the way we think about electric vehicles with its high performance. Long-range cars that are changing the way people drive. However, Tesla's latest announcement has sent shockwaves throughout the industry. The release of the Tesla Model 2, an affordable electric vehicle designed for the masses, has shocked the entire industry. One of the most surprising aspects of the Model 2 is its low price tag. Tesla has managed to create a car that is both technologically advanced and affordable for the average consumer. This is a feat that other automakers have struggled to achieve. The Model 2's sleek design and advanced technology have also caught the attention of the industry. The car's minimalist interior and advanced driver assistance features are unlike anything else on the market. This has left other automakers scrambling to catch up with Tesla's latest innovation. Another aspect of the Model 2 that has shocked the industry is Tesla's manufacturing process. The company has developed a new production method that is faster and cheaper than traditional methods. This means that Tesla can produce the Model 2 at a lower cost than its competitors, which contributes to its low price tag. This has left other automakers wondering how they can compete with Tesla's efficiency. The impact of the Model 2 on the industry is already being felt. Many automakers are now rushing to release their own affordable electric vehicles. They are under pressure to keep up with Tesla and offer consumers a competitive option. This means that the days of expensive, hard-to-own electric cars may be numbered. The Model 2 is not just a car, it's a game changer. Its affordability, its advanced technology and efficient manufacturing have shocked the entire industry and forced other automakers to take action. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, Tesla is sure to remain at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and changing the way we drive forever. Tesla's entry into the highly competitive small car market with the launch of the Model 2 has sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving established players on edge. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and shockingly affordable price tag, the Model 2 has raised the bar for the entire EV industry. Let's dive deeper into the factors that are leaving other automakers stunned. Ford, General Motors, and other legacy automakers have traditionally dominated the small car market with affordable and fuel-efficient options. However, Tesla's entry with the Model 2 has shaken up the status quo, forcing these companies to reevaluate their strategies. Legacy automakers have invested heavily in developing their own electric vehicle lineups to stay relevant in the face of growing competition. But Tesla's move into the small car market with the Model 2 has caught them off guard, leaving them scrambling to respond. Tesla has always been known for producing high-performance luxury EVs like the Model S and X. But the Model 2 marks a departure from that image, targeting a more mainstream audience. The company's decision to enter the mass market with an affordable EV has left legacy automakers concerned about their position in the industry. With its bold new design and advanced technology, the Model 2 stands out from the competition, offering features and performance that rival those of much more expensive vehicles. Tesla's reputation for innovation and cutting-edge technology has always set it apart from the competition, and the Model 2 is no exception. The car's sleek design and advanced features are a testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the EV industry. Legacy automakers are struggling to keep up with Tesla's pace of innovation, which has left them feeling like they are playing catch-up. Another factor that has left the industry stunned is Tesla's pricing strategy for the Model 2. The company has managed to produce a car that is both technologically advanced and affordable for the average consumer, something that other automakers have struggled to achieve. Tesla's vertical integration of its supply chain has allowed the company to reduce costs and produce the Model 2 at a lower price point than its competitors. Legacy automakers have not been able to match Tesla's cost efficiency, which has resulted in higher prices for their EVs, limiting their appeal to a wider audience. Tesla's strong brand identity has also contributed to the shockwaves it has sent through the industry. The company's focus on sustainability, innovation, and cutting-edge technology has built a loyal following among consumers who value these qualities. The company's focus on sustainability, innovation, and cutting-edge technology has built a loyal following among consumers who value these qualities. This brand loyalty has given Tesla a significant advantage over its competitors, allowing it to capture a larger share of the market. Legacy automakers have struggled to build a similar level of brand loyalty among consumers, which has limited their ability to compete with Tesla. Tesla's disruption of the traditional dealership model has also left the industry on edge. The company's decision to sell its cars directly to consumers through its website has challenged the long-standing practice of selling cars through dealerships, which has been the norm in the U.S. since the early 1900s. Tesla's move to bypass dealerships has allowed the company to reduce its overhead costs and pass those savings on to consumers, further increasing the appeal of its vehicles. Legacy automakers are heavily reliant on the dealership model, which has made it difficult for them to compete with Tesla on price. As Tesla continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible in the EV industry, it is likely to continue sending shockwaves through the automotive industry. Legacy automakers must adapt to these changes and find ways to compete with Tesla or risk being left behind. Whether they are able to do so remains to be seen. We appreciate your support and hope you continue to watch our channel for more exciting updates on Elon Musk, Malink, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and Boring Company. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications about our latest videos.